In order to repair the screen on a sliding patio door, you must first remove the screen door from the track. With the screen laying flat, begin pulling the rubber spline from the narrow channel that surrounds the opening. Save this spline. If it's in good shape, it can be reused. If not, you'll need to match the size and length with new material. Measure the opening so you can purchase new screen. The replacement pieces should be a couple of inches larger than the opening in both directions. Lay the screen over the frame with the overlap on all sides before you begin pressing one end of the rubber spline into the channel. A spline rolling tool makes this job a lot easier. Begin in a corner and work your way around the frame, keeping the screen tight as you go. Now, it may be helpful to have one person roll while another holds the screen tight. Once the screen is secure, use a utility knife to carefully trim the excess screen around the spline channel.